So in this problem, we have a number of marbles. Some of them are white, some of them are black. And we're seeing here that in the beginning, there are 3 white marbles for every 3 white marbles, there are 4 black marbles. So there's a ratio of 3 to 4 between white and black marbles. So we're going to represent this situation, right, as this rectangle, and we're going to split it into 7 parts so that 3 are white and 4 are black, right? So let's try to divide it as evenly as possible into 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right, so we have 7 parts, and well, it would be nice if we could have white and black, but white on white we cannot write with white on white, so we prefer to have red and blue. So these will be what the problem claims to be white marbles. So I'm going to put a W, and this blue part are going to be the black marbles. Now what happens is that we replace 7 white marbles by the same number of black marbles, right? So the total number of marbles remains the same, but the ratio of black to white changes. So we're going to have now a new situation, right, whereby we have the same number of marbles, but now we have 2 white marbles for every 3 black marbles. So now we have 5 parts, right? So we have 5 parts, and let's try to divide that as evenly as we can. Well, more or less, we try our best. And all right, now we have 2 white marbles for every 3 black marbles. So 2 parts are white, 3 parts are black. So these are going to be the white ones, okay, and these are going to be the black ones. And again, we have different units, right? A unit in the situation before the transfer, before the replacement, is 1/7, whereas after the replacement, the unit is 1/5. So it would be good to have equal units. In order to do that, we're going to do the same trick as before. We're going to divide every unit in the red part into 5, and here, in the situation after, we're going to divide every orange unit into 7 pieces in such a way that the units become identical. And I'm going to use this pink divider to do that. So here I'm going to try to get 5 units. So 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So now you can see that we have 35 pink units here, and I'm going to try to divide this into 7. So about, let's see, as much as possible evenly. So 7 units. Oh, well, this one is not so well divided. And 7 units here. And 7 units here. And notice that here we have 35 units as well, right? So the same number divided by the same 35 will give us the same unit size. So the pink units above and the pink units below are the same and now comparable. So let us see. This now represents 7 times 5, 15 pink units. All right. Uh, 3 times 5, right? 15 pink units. And this one represents 2 times 7, 14 pink units. Okay? So the difference between above and below, right, between the number of marbles, the number of parts here and the number of parts here is exactly 1 pink unit. 1 unit is equal to 7 marbles. All right. In total, we have 35 units, right? But what we are asked is how many white marbles were there in the container at first. So the number of white marbles was made up of 15 pink units. So 15 pink units, right, is going to represent, right, 7 times 15 equals 105 marbles. And this is the answer to the question.